Yeah, ready.
People are waiting to say welcome. Here. Yeah, welcome to Wilanów Palace. Natalia, head of our art department. Yeah. Let's go, kids are waiting. So this is one of the most important Yes, 11:50. Present works of art in this beautiful historical place inside, but also what we try to do is bring large formats of sculpture and place them in the garden so that it goes with the historical character of the garden, but also so people who are visiting the palace can be surrounded by top names of art. So this year the collection in the garden is mainly sculptures from our collection, the collection of the foundation, and friends of our foundation. So for example, this sculpture by Magdalena Abakanowicz. Yes, that's she always did that because it's a walking crowd without heads that follows mindlessly. So this is her very special piece. But this piece is also very special. It was borrowed from our friend of our foundation. It's called the Friendship. So it's like a symbol, in a way, a symbol of our exhibition. Here's what to say. So what we try to do is we try to build the international bridge between Poland, between Africa, between Europe, and we do it by presenting international art. Also, some of the artists that we have in the auction, very often they want to be presented with different works. So, for example, Philip Colbert is the author of this sculpture here, this flower, and he donated the work of art to our exhibition, to our auction, so that he also has a representation of his other work in the garden. And it becomes really popular in the people sculpture. They take photos, they have fun, you know. Yes, everyone. Because our mission is to educate people. So this is what we've been doing for over 5 years now.